Welcome to another episode of the series, If You Only Have One Crystal. This series is for everybody, whether you have started your crystal collection or got that piece from someone or whatever the reason it appeared in your life. If you don't know much about that crystal, in this short video, I'll give you a couple of recommendations on how to make the most of it. So, if you only have one crystal, and that crystal is clear quartz, Hi, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, where we teach how to use crystals to bring magic to our day-to-day lives. If this is the first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If your only crystal is clear quartz, pace yourself and keep your vibration in check, because as a master crystal and being the master healer, this is what clear quartz is going to teach you. Where is your dissonance, and what is the vibrational step needed for alignment? What are your set points, or expressing law of attraction terms, what is your point of attraction? Clear quartz is a high vibration crystal and an amplifier. It's the most versatile and multi-purpose crystal you can find. That's why I say keep your vibration in check, because it will amplify whatever your point of attraction is. Good, bad, ugly, aligned, separation. You can use clear quartz in so many ways. For this video, as a beginner, these are the most important. Number one, use it for meditation to learn more about yourself and what to do or what you need to bring into your awareness. Number two, you can use clear quartz to amplify the magic of other crystals. Number three, use it in any chakra that needs balancing. Number four, if you have a point, you can use it to direct energy, like activating a crystal grid. Number five, if you have a cluster, you can use it to recharge other crystals or to do any other kind of magic. So check out my other video on the magic of quartz clusters. I know I always say check out the links below, but really, if you haven't worked a lot with high vibration crystals, do check my blog post on quartz. One more thing, be mindful of changes in your energy body and take care of yourself when you're going through them. Rest, drink a lot of water, and have simple meals. After that, you feel awesome. And homework. Let me know in the comment sections below. Number one, what was your first crystal and how it came into your life? And number two, what have you done to learn more about it and how your relationship has evolved? And as always, before you go, don't forget to check out my article on quartz and how to start with crystals. If you like this video, share and subscribe. And until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.